To clean the touchscreen, you'll need a set of screwdrivers and Allen keys, and a microfiber cloth, protective glasses and gloves. The press is supplied, equipped with its sensors and its cable harness. Open the switchboard door. Shut down D12 to operate safely. Open the latch on the front panel near the electrical panel. Open the one at the bottom of the hot side, near the circuit breaker. When the casing is installed, the third latch is located in the beam opening of cable harness to the payment unit. Unlock the third and last latch to remove front panel components. Start by removing the top panel. Tap on the left and right edges of the panel and remove it. Proceed in the same way for the front panel. Remove the 3 low screws in the middle, to the right and left of the masking screen. Unscrew the 3 high screws of the masking screen. Remove the masking screen. Unscrew the right-hand elements, left and top of the screen cover. For the upper part of the casing, unscrew the middle screw last. Unscrew the middle screw and remove the top element from the casing. Tilt the screen protector while holding it back. Clean it with a dry microfiber cloth. Replace the screen protector. Reassemble and tighten the components of the protective screen casing. Reassemble and also screw the masking screen. Replace the top part of the front panel. Bend the bracket slightly downwards to insert the component into its opening. Replace the bottom part of the front panel. When the casing is installed, engage the 3 latches to lock them. After cleaning, check the touchscreen operation. Put D12 back up. Press the Windows key on the keyboard and click on the triangle-shaped icon to open the Guardian. Click Reboot, then reboot software.